Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we are going to be looking at Nigeria's state and national symbol. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education is on Nigeria's state and national symbol. So are we ready for the lesson? Under today's lesson, we are going to be looking at historical background of Nigeria, Nigerian head of state till date, and lastly, national symbols. Okay, so are we ready for the lesson? So first, we are going to be looking at historical background of Nigeria. Nigeria's historical background is diverse and shaped by various civilizations and events. Okay. Nigeria's history is rich and diverse. Pre-colonial societies, such as the Nok civilization, date back to around 500 BCE. The region witnessed various kingdoms and empires, including the Kanu-Bornu and the Uyo Empire. European contacts began with Portuguese explorers in the late 15th century. The transatlantic slave trade significantly impacted the area, lasting until the 19th century. British colonial influence intensified in the 19th century, leading to the amalgamation of northern and southern Nigeria in 1914. Nigeria gained independence in 1960, and its early years were marked by political instability. The Biafran Civil War from 1967 to 1970 had a profound impact, with millions affected. Since then, Nigeria has faced challenges like military coups, ethnic tensions, and economic fluctuations. The country transitioned to civilian rule in 1999, but issues such as corruption, insurgency, and socio-economic disparities persist. Nigeria remains a key player in Africa, both politically and economically. So Nigeria has a rich pre-colonial history with ancient civilizations like the Nok culture. The Kanu-Bornu Empire and the Hausa kingdoms were prominent in the north, while the Oyo and Benin empires thrived in the west and south respectively. Then British influence increased in the 19th century, leading to the amalgamation of the northern and southern protectorates in 1914, forming the British colony of Nigeria. Colonial rule significantly impacted socially, economic, and political structures. Okay. Then Nigeria gained independence on October 1st, 1960, with Nnamdi Azikiwe as its first president. Early years were marked by political instability and coups, leading to periods of military rule. Then the Nigeria Civil War arose from tensions in the southwest where the Republic of Biafra sought independence. It resulted in significant loss of life and economic disruption. Okay? Then Nigeria returned to civilian rule again. Nigeria transitioned to civilian rule in 1979, but experienced subsequent military coups. Do you understand? So Nigeria returned to democratic governance in 1999. Various challenges persist, including ethnic and religious tensions, economic issues, and security concerns. So Nigeria is rich with diverse culture and civilization and events. Okay, so this is the historical background of Nigeria. So next we are going to be looking at Nigeria head of state till date. Nigeria heads of state from independence in 1960 started with Nnamdi Azikiwe, who ruled from 1963 to 1966. Then Johnson Aguiyi-Ironsi took over from 1966. After him, Yakubu Gowon from 1966 to 1975 ruled. After Gowon, Murtala Muhammed took over from 1975 to 1976. Then Olusegun Obasanjo took over from 1976 to 1979. Then Shehu Shagari took over from Obasanjo from 1979 to 1983. After Shagari, Muhammadu Buhari took over from 1983 to 1985. And then Ibrahim Babangida took over from Buhari from 1985 to 1993. After Babangida, Sonikon took over in 1993. Then Sani Abacha took over from Sonikon from 1993 to 1998. Then Abu Salami Abubakar took over from Abacha from 1998 to 1999. Okay? After Abubakar, Olusegun Obasanjo took over from 1999 to 2007. After Obasanjo, Umaru Yar'Adua took over from 2007 to 2010. Then in 2010, Goodluck Jonathan took over from 2010 to 2015. And after Jonathan, Muhammadu Buhari took over from 2015 to 2023. And after Buhari, Alhaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu took over from 2023 till date. So presently, Alhaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu is Nigeria's president. Okay? So these are the past head of state and present head of state in Nigeria. Do you understand? So now we are going to be looking at national symbols. Nigeria has several national symbols that represent the country's identity and values. We have the national flag, green and white vertical stripes. So the Nigerian national flag is vertical bands of green and white. The green represents the country's agricultural wealth, while the white symbolizes peace. Okay? We also have coat of arms, represents Nigeria's unity with symbols like the eagle, green and white shield, and the country's motto. Okay, so the coat of arms features an eagle representing strength, the green and white shield symbolizing the rich soil, and the wavy bands indicating the Niger and Benue rivers. Then the motto is unity and faith, peace and progress. We also have the national anthem, Arise, O Compatriots, which is composed by the Nigerian Police Band under the directorship of Benedict E. Odiase. Okay? The Nigerian national anthem is titled Arise, O Compatriots. It was composed by the Nigerian Police Band under the directorship of Benedict E. Odiase. We also have National Pledge, a commitment of Nigeria's unity and indivisibility. Okay? The Nigerian National Pledge is a commitment of Nigeria's unity and indivisibility, peace, and the promotion of national development. So these symbols play a crucial role in fostering national unity and pride, representing the values and aspirations of the Nigerian people. Okay, do you understand? So today's lesson on Nigerian state and national symbol, we understood everything we looked at, right? We looked at the historical background of Nigeria. We also looked at Nigeria head of state till date. And lastly, we looked at national symbols, right? So we understood everything we talked about. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.